Hello, girls and squirrels, boys and girls. CRUZNTX coming back at you. All right, hey guys and girls, girls and squirrels. This is CRUZNTX headed on out again. All righty, we're back on. I had to make a little stop there real quick. I think all the GoPros are up and going, rock and rolling, lock and loading. Good afternoon, boys and girls, girls and squirrels. CRUZNTX coming to you. You know, it's amazing how great it can be of a day after Mother Nature sweeps through here and drops a tornado just south of us and all kind of rain. Of course, this is Texas. You gonna get over while the lane is clean, or not like I didn't speed up to catch up in the miles per hour? It's okay, I got a camera behind me. And today it is cool. What temperature we got on the thermometer? 67, 66. Windy, wind's probably 15, 25 mile an hour gust. Yeah, I ride in the rain, but you know, when you start talking lightning bolts and tornadoes, you know, it's kind of time to put the iron horse up for a little bit. Speaking of riding in the rain, another comical little story. My daughter and I rode down to see my brother down in Austin. Shoot, stone's throw away from Hunter Hanna, really. Right down there by the dam and stuff. But we rode down there. Goodness, what was I on? I think it was the Suzuki Intruder 800. My daughter was, goodness, how long ago was that? Oh my goodness. I can't even remember when it was, but rode down there, nice ride down there. Smaller bike, you know, it didn't have the luxury and the comforts of my 2017 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Special. But anyway, so it's all nice. Hung down there for the weekend or such, and we started coming back. Of course, yeah, I looked at the weather. Always looked at the weather 2 or 3 days ahead. Like this next week is nothing but sunny and getting up to 80s here in the Dallas area. Of course, riding the bike as much as I do, you got to look at the weather. You got to see when to project for situations. So I got up that morning, looked at the radar, and I went, holy hell. Here it comes. She goes, what? And I said, here comes the storm coming straight down 35. You know, it just looked like a bowling ball coming straight down the center of the lane, you know. Strange as all get out, seeing it coming from the north and all the way down south, but it did. I said, well, girl, we gonna get wet. She said, that's okay, Daddy. That's just like you say, that's all part of the experience. Of course, if you ride the bike, you know, you're going to run into it every now and again. You're either going to get stuck in it, you're going to have to ride through it, or you're just going to have to be in it, period, all the time. But anyway, we got about 45 minutes into the trip. Here it comes. You know, and 35 North is just a 2-lane road. And at the time, there wasn't too much construction going on, so I guess it's about, goodness, 5 or 6 years ago. Probably 6. Now it's all messed up. It's just as ugly as a witch's ass. She hung in there, and you know, we just kind of cruised it. You know, trying to stay away from diesels because they spray so much up with all their wheels, right? We made a few more stops than normal just to, you know, stretch the legs. But that first stop, about an hour and a half into it, I got off, I'm dripping head to toe and toe to heel. My chaps, my jacket, my vest, gloves, everything. Yeah, horrible. She gets off. Shoot, she's almost dry as a bone. I'm like, how in the world are you so dry? She goes, Daddy, I just tucked in behind you and just put my head down to stay dry. A Jeep. I just laughed so hard, and I said, well, at least one of us staying dry. I said, keep doing it. Well, she tucked her legs in behind mine. You know, after we got on and pulled her arms in, crossed her arms inside her vest and shirt, and you know, pushed herself against the backrest and up against me, and we made a couple more stops, and I don't think she gained another drop of water being back behind me. But we made it safe. We made it through there, and I didn't like having to drive that far in the rain, but had to get back home. Oh yeah, it added on about another 2 hours, I think, to the ride. Having to slow down and take a few more stops. Of course, that poor little bike didn't have much of a tank. So, but that was fun. Another adventurous trip. But that's another good story from CRUZNTX. I catch you on the flip side. Keep your knees in the breeze. Peace out.